You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very important Italian word, Italian verb, meaning eat. Mangia is how it's said in Italian. Mangia, you can replace the GI with a J. The I is just there to say that the G is soft, right? So it's not mangia, manja, manja. I mean, there's a bit of an E sound in the J sound, manja, but manja, manja. Italian pronunciation, how to pronounce manja. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.